today you come with the Concierge Channel again, and today we bring you guys to do the activity that very dangerous and very exciting too. And here, it is Triple T shooting ring. Maerim, come. Yeah, and here is the information of Triple T shooting ring in Maerim. Actually, for shooting ring, here there are like the branch in Maerim and indoor skate. For indoor skate, you can see like the full ring of the distance is further than Maerim. But however, here you will have like many interesting guns because they have like a variety of guns here.
So over here they have many package. Even if you would like to choose certainly one gun, or if you like to buy like a set. For example, this is to be in total 9 guns, 9 type of the guns, and it can be shared like up to 5 person.
Okay, before we do like a shooting, we will come here and then still we have like an equipment to protect against the noise. Then we have like a headphone here. It's very important for the first time people to come for shooting, and then it's very important about the eyeglasses because it will be protect against the bullet.
So right now we are here at the Triple T shooting range, and this will be the shooting range. We have did 2 set of the gun set, but however here is the second place for a shooting range in Maerim. The first one is Maerim shooting. This is the second one, but however here will be more selection, and the price is similar, almost is the same. And then so there will be our trainer over there and also the gun selection. If you have time, so start by 9 to 4. Just come with us and we can make reservation for you. Thank you. If you want to have a problem with me, just come.